Hello everyone, this is Lovey and I am sorting through my sticker collection obsession. Okay, so what I decided to do first is I put all of everything that was a kit or looked like it was a kit, like this kit. This is had to be, oh, I don't even know when I got that. This is Glam Planner. I don't know when I even got that. Maybe it has a year in there. We'll see later because I'm going to go through these kits. Here's another kit. So, and this one doesn't say. But anyway, anything that looked like it was a kit or I bought together, because all of these are stapled together. And these are by Twice as Nice lettering. Okay, Twice as Nice lettering. So I must have got all of these from there because I got them stuck together. Sometimes they put their names on them, but sometimes they don't. Oh, I wrote on these. Good. Okay, so let me see. Yep, that's where I got it from, I guess. Okay, so anyway, what I decided to do was just put all these kits that I know I got together, or that I know that were kits. Now I bought some things from Boulder Bond, I think that's how you say it. Some of them were kits, and then it was some single sheets, so I'll go through and single sheet them. And I didn't buy a whole lot from the same seller because I like to just shop around. That's how I am. I shop around. And so a lot of these are from different sellers, or if I did get it from the same seller, like this is from Green Darner Designs. So I did get a couple sets. Matter of fact, I got a few sets from them because she made big happy planner stickers. And so these may be, yeah, like this. This is the big happy planner sticker. And so this is not, I don't think. But anyway, I got some big happy planner stickers from her. So I know I got a few sets from her because I couldn't find anyone at the time making big happy planner stickers for her. So then, now Melissa's Designs switched her name to Sweet Treats Designs. And she had came out with this coffee set and this sort of Octoberish set. So I got this kit from her. So I'm going to put a paper clip on this. What did I do with those paper clips? The paper clips that broke down my storage unit. Okay. You take them out and use them since they want to cause me all that chaos. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to paper clip these together, like right here on the side, since those are used. And I'm going to show you the set, the layout that I use these for when I get to it. But right now, I'm just putting sets. And then I had another 8.5 by 11. Okay, so these are my two larger ones like that. And then I have some Libby Co down there. I think that's who it is. Let's see who it is. Yeah, Livy & Co. I got some Livy & Co. They full sheets too. So I'll be putting those with those full sheets. But in the meantime, all of these kits, you're not going to believe. I'm going to count them when I finish. This is a pretty large one too, so I'm going to put it right behind there. Okay, so these are the kits. And I got some organization going. It doesn't look like it, but it is. It's getting there. Okay, and this is, I think, one of the little thank you things. So I'm going to put all of those in another stack. Now, they may come from different companies, but I'm still, this one right here, I really love the way that this came. And it came with, like, surprises and all kind of stuff. When you see that one, you're gonna see why I like it so much. And I'm not sure if they're still open or if she still does this, but if she was, I'm gonna make sure that I give her a shout out for doing this and then make a suggestion that she do it again. Yeah. But anyway, here's some more. This is another set of stickers. Some different people's stickers come different ways, and so hers came in an envelope, in another package, and then inside here. So, and it's still, never, look at it. I don't think I even popped the, look, the washi has never been picked up or anything. The sticker is still The sticker is still stuck, and I never even opened them. But I know that it was some things I wanted because I see those cameras on there. And then this one. These are This is another kit. I'm going to just slide in there. Now, I'm going to put them to the side. These right here, to the side for a moment. And then I'm going to get these kits. Look at all these kits. And look, 2017. That one doesn't say. That's a 2017 March. I'm not sure. This is a Pumpkin Personal. And this is a Silent Night Full. And this is St. Patrick's. I'm not sure what year that was. But it surely wasn't this year. Okay. And then all of these are kits. All of these are kits. I think that's all of the ones that I have out. Okay, hold on, I'm coming. So, I'll put this to the side. So all of these are going to the side for right now because I still have more stickers to go through. Okay, like these right here, not these, are more stickers. Now see, like I said, I know like this may be a, let me see, it may be some sets in here that I'm not that I haven't put to the side. I think that no, I'm not gonna try to do it by seller. I'm just gonna put them by function, basically what they do. Anyway, this right here is a stack of package planner stickers like these. Okay, so I'm gonna do them separately, but this is what I wanted to say. This lady, I'm not, it's called Dream Big and Plan. I haven't been to her shop in a long time, but out of all of, I really like all my stickers. Now, don't get me wrong, but it's something about the way these are printed. They are like super brilliant, and I love that. I don't know if it's the paper that she uses or if it's her printer, but these, and I'm gonna take off the I'm gonna show them to you again much closer later when I start going through the kits. But I'm gonna take off the autofocus for just for a second so we can get a focus on here. If I can get a focus going, let's see. There we go. Okay. I don't have much light in here, but look how brilliant. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I could just do the focus on this. Let me put it over here so I can take the autofocus off. See if I can get this to clear up right there. All right, look at how these look how brilliant that color is on here. Oh, this is my my TV night. Look at the laundry basket. Oh my goodness, when I got these I was like, oh my gosh, lady, this is my happy birthday corner. And I bought 2 of those. I got a lot of birthdays. You know, I got a lot of grandkids. This is like communion. You know, when you go to church or whatever. I use it. Ooh. So she had, let me show you, Bible ones, which I do a lot of studying. So that, and then I had these ones, savings and stuff. They are so like super brilliant. And I'm not sure what kind of printer she used or if it's the paper. And I haven't used them, so I don't know if it's the type of paper like they have that, now they have, well, they probably had it then, but I just found out about the vinyl type sticker paper. It's like a vinyl, and so maybe, just maybe, that's what this is, but we're going to go through that later. Anyway, I'm not going to talk to you too much longer. What I'm planning on doing, and this is another, here goes some more kits down here that I found. Look at that February. Wouldn't it have been gorgeous? Wait, let me turn it the right way. Wouldn't it have been gorgeous? I never did use it. And I may use, and this is a Christmas one, and she does some really brilliant colors on hers. Her name is Green Darner Designs. I'm going to put some links when I start going through them. So I'm going to try to do like maybe 3 kits or 4 kits in a video so the video won't be so long. Like these last few have been super long. But when I start doing the planner, it's going to be even longer. But anyway, I stacked these together, packaged, some packaged ones. These over here, which you cannot see, are more packaged ones, but some of these are open. Like, this is a Webster's Pages, but I think some of them are used. So, and then you have these jelly beans, and they're not used. So I'm going through, and here's another Webster's. No, it's a Prima girl, and I have one that I did use some out of, but I have this one that I didn't. So a lot of the items that I have not opened and have not used are going to be in my store on Lovey's Living Out Loud Etsy store. Like some things like this, you know, you might be able to get it at Michael Steele, but maybe not, I don't know, but I'm gonna put it out there, different ones that's been packaged already, and I'm going through them. This one is a really nice one by Simple Stories, and there's a bunch of washi's in there, 288 pieces of washi. And oh, I can't, you're not even seeing it. So yeah, I'm gonna go through and see what I want to put in the store, what I'm going to give away, and what I'm going to destash and sell. So that's my plan. I'm done for tonight. I did my sorting. Oh, and you know, I have a whole nother set of stickers and planning stuff when it comes to my Bible journaling and my Bible planning. So these, remember when these came out at Walmart a while back? I bought a set, and then I was gifted a set, and I want to thank some people for giving me some things too that I never got a chance to use for various reasons. And then I have a whole collection of Illustrated Faith. I mean, a gigantic collection of Illustrated Faith. Then I want to also, in my next video, it's not going to be about this, I'm going to do my Happy Mail. Now, some people say Happy Mail is mail that you buy and it comes. I don't think that's Happy Mail. I mean, it might make me happy because it's something I wanted or I bought, but Happy Mail to me is like unexpected stuff, like surprise. So this was like surprise, and not only did I get the little one, but I ended up, let me see if I can reach and grab it. Can I grab it? No, I'm not. Oh, yes, I am. Hold on. Hold it. Hold it. I got this one. And then I got this one. Now, I'm loving. I haven't used neither one of them. And they're dated. So, I am going to put in a slight request. If I am gifted anything and I appreciate everything, try to make it undated. Because I never know when I'm going to get to it. But this I am going to do. It's a 2019, but I'm going to start in May. So my May is going to be picked up, and that's when I'm going to start in. And look, it has like the scripture reading plan and keywords. How you, it's got the SOAP method. You know, scripture, observation, application, and something. What is it? What's the SOAP method? Okay, I'm sure somebody knows it. It's S for scripture, O for observation, A for application, and P for prayer. That's what it is. So, okay. So it has that one, which I use sometime. Not going to say all the time, but this is going to be great for when I start to do our Bible studies on She Believed. And it's going to be give me an opportunity to put down what I'm going to talk about, what we're going to study, you know, different, you know, the prayers, loving well and loving God ways. And I think that this is something I'm going to do in on Lovey's, I mean on She Believed, because I believe in love, man. I believe in love. Some people out there, and I know of them, that don't care for me anymore and don't care for me, never care for me, period. But I'm the same today, yesterday, and I'm going to be the same until I leave here, because this is who He has made me to be, and I'm loving it. At first, I used to be upset with myself because I wanted to be angry at some things. You know, I'm like, Lord, that's a perfect opportunity for me to just go straight left on somebody, but it just wouldn't come out like that. You know, I would cry, or my heart would have all these feelings. We're going to talk about that on She Believed, because that's part of my my life and my testimony. I testify. I'm going to do I testify on there, and I'm going to tell you some things about my life. And then in the comments, I want, you know, maybe or either email me, because some people don't like to put everything out in the open, but email me something that God has done for your testimony in your life. But I'm going to tell you, I'm doing a section in my Facebook group, and it's going to be called breaking the code of silence. And I get, this is where I live. This is where my zone is, and this is my lane. So that's why I drive there real well. So I'm just gonna close this up because it's already 15 minutes, and I'm telling you that I got this as happy. I'm gonna go through all of my happy meal. I got so much. It was so funny. I was like, oh my God, somebody out there likes me. I watch all the Happy Meal, and you know, I'm not saying, okay, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it because I want anything. I am overflowing already. I'm saying it because thoughts come to our minds when we, you know, just because we're human. So I watch all of these Happy Meal. I'll be like, ooh, that's some nice Happy Meal. Ooh, I would like that Happy Meal. And I had never really gotten Happy Meal. Something that somebody just sent me out of the blue. You know, now some people have sent me some cards, like Thanksgiving cards, Christmas cards, you know, things like, and I so appreciate them. I'm gonna share some of them too. Yes. But I never I hadn't received something until Lucinda. Let me show you Lucinda. Where is Lucinda's? Lucinda sent me a gift after a long time ago now. After all of my stuff got ruined in the flood. All of my planner stuff. And I don't see it right now. But she gave me man, why would I lose that? Okay, I'm creating an avalanche. I'm not gonna do it. But I'm gonna come back with all the Happy Mail. And I'm gonna thank the people that gave me the Happy Mail. And I'm going to show you what I got, and I'm just really excited. So just know that I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Toodles.